Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Thock V2. In this video I'll show you how to change connection mode. This keyboard has three methods of connection. You can connect it via Bluetooth, 2.4G adapter, or via cable. If you want to connect it via cable, simply connect the cable to the PC and then insert it here and then direct through those tunnels the cable for cable management. If you want to connect it via Bluetooth, take a look right here. Switch this button to wireless connection, and next, using FN button and buttons 1, 2 or 3, select Bluetooth mode 1, 2 or 3. If you want to connect it via 2.4G adapter, press FN and 4. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.